Hello children, today we will start our new chapter, sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. How sound is produced? Due to the vibration of some objects. Okay, when some air molecules vibrate, okay, like a pattern, that pattern is called as waves. So sound is a wave. Production of sound. I already said how sound is produced due to the vibration of objects. What is vibration? Actually, vibration you have learnt in your last year. So, vibration means it is a to and fro motion of an object. So, what is meant by to and fro? Back and forth. Okay. So, rapid to and fro motion of an object is referred to as vibration. See here, see this picture. Here first picture shows a drum. Okay, when we hit the drum, what happens? It vibrates and then it produces some sound. Similar way in a guitar, when we string on it, what happens? It produces some sound. And similar way in a tuning fork. Okay, if we keep on vibrating the prong, what happens? It will create some sound. Next topic is sound production of musical instruments. See, each type of sound from different musical instruments based upon the type of instrument. There are three different types. First is string instruments. It can be also called as stringed instruments. Next is wind instrument. Sometimes it will be called as woodwind or reed instruments. Next one is percussion instruments. See, the fourth one, actually that is it will not comes under these three category. It is an extra one, non-drum percussion instruments, that is called as Ganavadya. String instruments. See, for example, in violin, veena or guitar, how it is producing some music. In these instruments, strings are there. So, when we strike it or pluck it, so we can produce some sound. See, these instruments, the frequency of sound can be varied by the length of the wire. Violin, guitar, veena, cello, harp, these are all examples for string instruments. Wind or reed instruments. See, these instruments produces some music by blowing on the top of the instrument. How it will give some music based upon the principle of vibrating air column to produce sound. For example, if you have seen a flute, if we just blow on the top of the flute, what happens? It will produces some sound. So it is this type of instruments are called wind instrument. These are all some examples for wind instruments. Saxophone, flute, clarinet, brass horn, trumpet. These are all few examples for wind instrument. I said wind instruments is also called as reed instruments. See, a reed means a thin strap of metal present in instrument. For example, in mouth organ or in harmonium, there will be a metal strip will be present. So that's why it is called as a reed instrument. Here also, it follows the principle of air column only. See, air is forced through the metal strip to produce some sound. Percussion instruments. See, in percussion instrument, a vibrating skin or else a membrane produces a musical sound. So, these instruments are made like that. They have skin stretched over some hollow objects. When skin is struck, the sound is produced by its vibration. For example, tabla, drum, dholak and mridangam. These are all few examples for percussion instruments. Non-drum percussion instruments. It is also called as Ganavadya or also called as idiophones. See, these instruments produce sound when they are beaten or struck. Some examples are Jaltrang, Gadam, Manjira. So, we have seen sound can be produced by 4 ways. They are plucking, rubbing, blowing or beating. Musical instruments and their vibrating parts. First, violin. The vibrating part which produces sound is string. When we are stretching the string, it produces some sound. In tabla, stretched membrane. Flute, air column. Jaltrang, water column. Answer the following questions. Give 2 examples of each. Stringed instruments, percussion instruments, wind musical instruments. What is vibration? Complete table 13.1 in page number 159. Do the following activity and record your observations. Refer chapter 13, sound, activity 13.1, 13.2 and 13.3 in page number 158.